Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to set up Facebook Pay. First of all, log in into your Facebook profile, then click this account here and now click settings and privacy, settings, and scroll down, and when you find this Facebook Pay, simply click on it. After that, payment methods, click here at payment method and choose a payment method from here. Here is total 2 payment method. If you have a credit or debit card, then you can click above it, and here you have to put your card number and the details. Or if you don't have a card, then you can go for PayPal, click on it, and then log in into your PayPal account and connect your PayPal with Facebook Pay. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thank you.